Hey loves, I thought I would just hang out with you guys, play with some makeup. We are going to create whatever look. I'm going to put in a little clip right here, so you guys can see what look I ended up creating. I'm going to play with some new makeup, some old makeup, just going to have some fun times. So I figured if I'm going to put on makeup anyway, why don't I sit down with you guys and film it. Go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You know, the spiel. We do beauty, plus size fashion, vlogs, food videos, stuff like that. If you're into it, you're in the right place. Let's be friends. All right, let's just start putting stuff on my face. We have these Shot Miss A primers that we have not tried yet that I know you guys are probably excited. It comes in a nude and a transparent. I think I'm going to use the transparent with a nice little Luna hair on it. They're exactly the same. I just bought them both so I could show you them both. A velvety face primer that blurs and preps skin to help minimize pores. For a smooth, even canvas, the soft texture glides over skin to help lock in makeup for all-day wear. It's got dimethicone in it. Do this. Maybe I do want to pick up a little chunk of it because I feel like you need to get like in there. I use the back of my nail. My hands are clean. I don't know why I'm putting on my nose. That sounds like a mistake for me. I'm going to put it up. This one does feel nice on the skin. I actually think probably because I used so much of the other one. I feel like I'm going to go through this way too fast, but it is $1. It's $1. So, I mean, even if I had to buy like 5 of them, I think we'll go ahead and use this foundation again. I used this in my last video, but it was kind of more of a Q&A than a get ready with me or an actual tutorial. So we're going to play with this again because the color match is pretty good. This is the Pretty Fresh foundation from Colourpop. It's definitely like a medium coverage. I think today I'm going to put more than one layer on. See how that goes. Low medium coverage with a sponge. That's one layer. I'm going to go in with a second pump. But one pump covers like your whole face. Well, covers my face. I have a big face, so if it covers my face, it's probably going to cover yours. So how are you guys? You guys are so sweet on my Q&A. Thank you so much for being so kind. Oh yeah, I like this. Two layers. It's looking good. Thank you a lot. I'm liking this a lot. I think we're going to use the Revolution Pro Ultimate Under Eye Radiant Concealer, I think is what it's called. Pop that all up in there. We are going to use this eye primer too. I usually prime my eyes when I go in with my concealer. This is the Soft Base Nude Color Eye Primer. I think this is like the basic one. And then they have a tacky one, which we'll try and use the tacky one too, and then a glowy one. What it looks like. More pigmented than I expected. Mixed in with my concealer. That was too much. Shannon. It's too much. I'm just going to tap that out with my sponge. I'm going to go ahead and do some cream contouring. I'm going to use this Conceal and Define concealer from Revolution in 12.5. Luna, what do? What do? I think I made it more on this cheek. Freckle pen from Colourpop. This one is in soft brown. I'm going to do this with one hand while I hold my little Luna. I'm going to go back in, tap it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because they're boring. It's the XX Revolution brow pencil and the Revolution soap styler. I'm going to use these guys on my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I used this palette in my last tutorial, but it was more like a get ready with me Q&A. So I'm going to use it again because I feel like doing a purple look because a lot of people asked for a purple look and I ended up doing a colorful like rainbow look. A colorful look with this palette? No way, Shannon. But I think we're going to do maybe pink and purple. That's what I'm feeling today. I don't know. I'm sure you already know because you probably already seen the Fade into Hue palette from Colourpop. Selfie. It does have some glitter in it. Maybe I should have started with a pink one. I got a little bit of purple down, but I love that I did that. I do that all the time. I start something and I'm like, wait, no. I actually want to start with a Lovecraft. Yes, that pink. I'm just popping it for that same pink down here. Or maybe, no, we're just going to go with Majestic. Let's just pop in Majestic. Let's just do it. Whenever I do colorful looks like this, I just feel like I'm transporting myself back to like my Scene Kids days when I was like all about that bright girl. People are asking for a Valentine's Day look. I'm sure I'll do one. But if you're antsy for one, here you go. You could wear this on Valentine's Day. Zeitgeist. Oshi Powdery. Who are your favorite shadows from? I really do enjoy Colourpop shadows and Revolution shadows. Who are some of your favorites? We're gonna do a little cut crease. I'm just gonna use this concealer from XX Revolution. Use whatever. Just gonna do a little one. Cause I want some glitter. We're gonna try that tacky base from AOA, I think. Let's try this tacky base. I'm just gonna put it right on top of that little cut crease situation I just did. Again, this is an AOA product. This guy is $1.88 from Shop Miss A. Link down below if you want to let them know I sent you. Oh my gosh, you guys, by the way, I was one of the top affiliates last month. That's too much, Shannon, but that's okay. God, I was gonna use this little bean. Okay, I'm gonna try and pop some of this on first and keep this on my hand because I got too excited. Dreamery, Colourpop, Supershock. I kind of want to do something that I wouldn't normally do, but I don't think that's gonna happen. This is Frog, by the way. Oh, she's beautiful. Right in here. Ice Stream. So pretty. I hope you guys can see. It's got kind of a blue shift to it. I definitely want more glitter than that. I wanted this look to be like insane, but I just wanted to try these a little bit. Oh, that's so beautiful, that flip on this. Such a good set. I feel like it's got such a wide variety. It's got a bunch of neutrals, but a couple of pops of color. Definitely some unique shades. Beautiful. And this should, I think it's still available. I'll link everything down below for you guys, of course. I'm so in love with the green glitter in here that I find it hard to want to use anything else. But I'm just going to take that tacky base, which is still in the back of my hand, with my concealer brush. And I'm just going to kind of tap it all over that area. I'm going to take the pink and put the pink in the center. And I'm going to take the green. Oh, you can't see it, the green glitter. I'm going to put it in the inner corner because I'm obsessed. And then I'm just going to kind of mix those two. Ooh. Yes. I'm going to try and buff those edges. It's definitely not a perfect cut crease anymore. I kind of messed that up with all of that glitter. Got these Shop Miss A liners that I haven't really used. I think we're just going to go with purple. That's what I had planned anyway. Yeah, let's do purple. I swatched the blue and the purple in the back of my hand. Still trying to get my hands on the black one of this because it's always sold out. That purple though. Shoot. I am feeling that. I am feeling it. Shop Miss A. Girl, why are you so good? I don't know if I've used this one before. I have this AOA purple pencil liner too. Gel eyeliner in royal purple. I'm just going to put that on here. Not the best, not the best. I feel like this is definitely one that would work good as a base to kind of put something over. So I'm wondering if I put a little bit of purple shadow over this, if it's going to look a lot better. Make it pop a little more. I think that's one of the first items I've ever tried from Shop Miss A that I didn't absolutely love. It looks nice now that that's blended on top, but it did kind of crunch up a little bit. I've had it for a minute, so that could have been it too. I think I'm actually going to go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes. I think I'm going to go ahead and use these lashes. Yes. These have been my recent favorites. They're from Amazon. They're Design B from Alicrown. Obsessed. Don't show your booty to the world. We're gonna give the Luna Bean a snuggle and put on some mascara in my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, we are back. Liner, lashes, fix, everything. Oh, I did not cut enough off the edge of this lash, so I feel like it's really far on my inner corner. But we're just gonna let it live. I have this little palette, face palette from Amuse. I don't think I'm gonna use the blushes because I have a Colourpop blush I really want to use today, but I am gonna use this guy for contour. We're gonna try this little guy out, see how it is. Brush, this is from Shop Miss A as well. I don't remember what it's called, but it looks like this. They have rainbowy ones too. Go into here. And we're just going to, oh, little bronzer action. It's a little bit warm. I don't know what these little hairs are doing. It looks a little orange up here. It's not the worst, not the best. I mean, it was $1 for a whole face palette. Warmer than I personally like. If you like a more in between, I like a really cool tone contour usually. And then the blush we're going to use is the Love Story Pressed Powder Blush from Colourpop. I don't think I've even tried their powder blushes. I think I've only tried the Supershocks, so we'll see. I think this is a very nudie shade. Oh, hi. Hi, honey. Oh, peachy shade. I think it'll be cute. Let's see if I can do this. So I'm just gonna kind of tap it. I'm gonna blend it down here into that bronzer, but I think that kind of kept them in there. And of course, because of the type of look we just did, let's pop some right on that nose. I like that blush a lot. I like it a lot. It's going right in the makeup bag, girl. Right in the makeup bag. You know it's a good one when it does that. Kaja, I think is how you say it. They sent me this Roller Glow Roll-On Highlighting Balm. Maybe we'll use it as a base. I have so much powder on now. That's what she looks like. I think you're just supposed to go like this. Their stuff, they're like, the concept of it all is just so cute. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see some of it. It's not super intense, but it's got some glow. Ooh, that's cute. I gotta put it on the cheeks. You pop your little paint roller on top and you close it. Wow, that's cute. I'm kind of interested in this highlight. I'm very interested in this highlight. Should we put it on top of that one? Oh, girl, yes. Ooh, yes. Ooh, ooh, yes. $1. I'm gonna go back into this Colourpop Ice Dream Supershock shadow. Okay, I'm going to do Beeper for a lip liner from Colourpop, and then I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Cashmere Curl. Actually, I think I'm going to use the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss because I need a little bit of a plump in my life, girl. This is in Peach Belini. I've been using this a lot lately. All right, love, so this is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had fun. Honestly, I don't think there was anything but this pencil liner that I didn't absolutely love today. I'm a little bit obsessed with this liquid liner from Shop Missy. I'm really feeling this because it made me like that Colourpop foundation even more. I'm excited to keep using this. I'm going to put it in my makeup bag and try it out more and let you guys know how I feel about it. I think what I'm going to like is putting the No Pore Primer kind of all over my face and then really targeting the areas with this one that need it, which is going to be like right in this area for me. I like to kind of smooth out where I'm going to put my highlight so it's not as textured looking. I already knew that I liked this Colourpop palette. This was a fun look. I like the little freckle pen. I really liked it more this way than I used it last time. Last time I put it on towards the end of the look, and I like it much more straight after foundation and stuff before I put on my powders. I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. It still obviously looks like fake freckles because I know my face, but at the same time, I think it looks really nice. I was super impressed with this little guy. I really like the highlighter. The contour wasn't bad. It wasn't the best in the world for my fair skin. I thought I had more cream contour on. I like how it looks more than this one. I think I put a little more on that side than this side. I don't know, but for $1, girl. Obviously, I love Colourpop Supershock shadows, so I knew those were going to be good. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This was a fun look. I'm going to get in a little bit closer so you guys can really see the glitter. I have not covered up my lash line, so if you can see glue or anything, my apologies. This is what we're looking at. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of look you want to see down below in the comments. Let me know in general what kind of videos you want to see, what like top 5s, what brands you want me to focus on, what new stuff you want me to get from the drugstore, stuff like that. Let a girl know. I need any ideas. And you guys have been saying vlogs, food videos, vlogs. I'm actually going to go, I think, make some bagels and film it for the vlog, which you probably will have seen before you see this video. I was just kind of filming this because I felt like I should do something productive today. All right, but I'm going to stop rambling. I think that's it. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, she's looking a little bit rough today. Shoot, girl. Shoot, girl. I feel like I had so much content I can't speak. Hi, Queen. I love when the Queen comes down because she never comes down. Why do you have to eat plastic? Why you eat the plastic? Look at those feet. Ooh, there's a new 90 Day Fiancé tonight, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.